So to create a canvas or a thumbnail which is compatible with YouTube and which YouTube will allow you to upload, you will need to follow or to respect uh, two principles or two conditions. First, should be the settings of your video of your canvas or thumbnail, 1280 by 720, and the size of your canvas and thumbnail should not exceed 2 megabytes. So here we will have two options in Snagit editor. Click on your Snagit editor to open. If you cannot find it in your desktop, just search in your taskbar Snagit editor and you should be able to see it. Next step, click on new and new image and click create. And here I will show you two options. First of all, you don't have any pictures to use in the background. So if you don't have any, that's not a problem. You can always select fill after creating this. And as you can see, the settings are 1280 pixel multiplied by 720 is the width and the height. Next step, click on fill or click on fill in the top, select the color which you want to use. I would just use purple and click fill. Here we go. If you have small icons or small pictures which you want to add, you can always click file, open. This will open any picture which you want, and you can just click drop drag if you click on your here and drop drag, and you should be able to add it and to adjust it. You can always add shapes, stamps, and callouts, arrows, etc. There are plenty of settings which you can use, but for the purpose of making this video short, I will just stick to adding a title. So click on text, type the title, how to publish a video in YouTube, for example. Select your text, and here you will see the settings. Click on advanced to see more advanced settings. And here I'm going to select my text, Control B to make it bold. Here on the font size, I'm changing the size of my text. The line width, you can also change it. And to make the text outlined, select your text and click on outline and choose what color you want to outline your text with. I will choose, for example, here green. And the fill of my text or the color of my text, I will change it to gray. Here we go. And next, here you can change opacity and also padding as you like. And you can keep editing. And here there are different options which you can use from basic one to urban, etc. And you can even import new styles. I will just go back to basic, select, increase the font again. Now you can even click and insert other pictures. If you have nothing else to do, then just Control S, locate the place where you want to save your picture, and you can save it under PNG, and this will be accepted by YouTube and it will not exceed 2 megabytes. Let's click save. It's working in the background. When we go to the file where it's saved, Control P, Control and Properties, and as you can see, it's only 93 kilobyte and total size on disk is 128 kilobyte. I will just go back from here. Now we can close this one. If you have a picture which you would like to use in the background, you will have to adjust that picture. So here I will go and select 1280. And as you can see, it's not matching. So I will play with the height of the picture, 700, it was supposed to be 720. So I'll just select 720. And as it needs to be 1280, we can always reduce it. As you can see, I have the indicator showing me. And 1280. Now I'm going to click on text and I'm going to add the text, how to fix Windows updates, for example. This is, let's say, one of my videos. I will adjust the text to appear properly. And I will just select all the text and change the font size as needed. Adjust this position. You can insert additional pictures if you want, just open. Let's choose from another file. I would choose this one. Let's call it, let's open the test. Let's click here. And now I'm going just to reduce this image size as I showed you earlier. And here we go. It's still a little bit away from 1280, so I'll just adjust it. You can position the picture wherever you want, and you can insert as many pictures as you want. And you can also use, again, stamps, shapes, callouts, etc. All the settings are available here. And next step, just Control S, or I prefer to use Save As, and I will call it Test 120. I will save it in this file, and I will have it here. As you can see, it has changed a little bit again, so I will just reduce to 1280. And click Save. I will open it, I will close it here, and I will reopen it again to see if I'm within the needed settings. In my case, for some reason, okay, now it's been adjusted accordingly. And as you can see, I'm within the exact pixels needed. For some reason, there was a little bug for now, but now it has been fixed. And as I can see, the picture is there. Now we can close, and you can simply use this picture as a canvas or as a thumbnail for your YouTube channel or YouTube video. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.